Alright guys, for the time being we are done with the upgrade. We are done. This is the new looks. It might not be that much different from others, so I lost some days, some hours of charging today, and I have to replace some charge on the batteries. So that's what I'm currently doing. And guys, this is how it looks like. It's all gone. The old has gone, the new is here, and the mate is not even on yet because I have to connect the FNDC. Then I have to power up the FNDC, sorry, and the mate hasn't been connected yet with the Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. So far so good. I've been working all day, so a little shifting around. So this is how the system looks like. If you like it, give it a like, share, and subscribe. So just a quick video for you guys. This is how it looks like. So I want to deal with all magnesign. It's gonna be over there. It's not done yet. The magnesign, the section for the magnesign is not done yet. The solar is not even in yet. The outback is ready, and the mate is not ready yet. It's just a matter of plugging the Ethernet cable. If you see on the corner, you see a little wire on the corner there. I have to hide that, so I flip the mate upside down so I can get all the plugins from the channel right there, the gutters. So I want the cables to all be neat and nice. So yeah, my board already has some few holes on them. I wish I would have painted, but it would take a lot of time to do all that stuff and dry and do this, and paint's gonna be sticky all over my machine, so I don't want that. So this is how it looks. Tell me what you think. This is the best I can do right now. I would have done it like who's that? So another, I don't have the thing in front of me right now. Sorry about your name. You brought a good suggestion right there. Would have just revamped the entire board, pull up everything together the way you want it. Yeah, that's what I did the first time. And lifting up these machines, they are not easy to lift, okay? They are really heavy, especially the Magnum. There's a huge transformer. The Outback is huge, and all this stuff are heavy. So putting them up by yourself, it's not an easy task. So can't let my wife help me this time. It's okay. So like I said, you see on the right hand corner, you see like a brown Fumaker or plywood dressing stuff, dresser on the wall, but it's cabinet, and I don't want to go further, and you see me all jammed up on the corner right there. I don't have enough room, and I don't want to expand it, and the batteries are underneath, so that would be a whole different setup. So it's too much work. I've been working all day today since this morning, so yeah, it's not that easy to do all this because I have to get back the system live, and which is already on, and doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Alright, love you guys all. Live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Thank you. Bye bye.